dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. Students, in our previous video, we have learnt about conjunctions in detail. We have learnt that conjunctions are of three types: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlatives. Today, we shall learn how relative pronouns and relative adverbs can also be used to join clauses. They can also be used as connectors, but they are a bit different from conjunctions. So let's see the difference in this video. What is the difference between conjunctions, relative pronouns, and relative adverbs? So let's get started. Conjunctions. As we all know that conjunctions are used merely to join together clauses and sometimes words. They do the job of joining together clauses and sometimes words. क्या करते हैं वो? सिर्फ join करने का काम करते हैं clauses को और words. Okay? Let's understand this with the help of these examples. Harsh and Pranav are friends. Now, what is the conjunction here? Yes, and is the conjunction here. And what is it doing here? It is joining this word with this clause. It's performing the task of joining this word with this clause. Okay? Next one is, she waited for her friends until they came. What is the conjunction here? Yes, until is the subordinating conjunction here, and this is joining this dependent clause to the independent clause. Okay? क्या काम कर रहा है? सिर्फ join करने का काम कर रहा है subordinate clause को या dependent clause को independent clause के साथ, बस. Next one. The birthday boy not only distributed sweets but also pens. Not only but also, these are correlatives, isn't it? These are also joining. Okay, they are only performing the task of or performing the function of joining. बस join करने का काम कर रहे हैं. तो conjunctions क्या करते हैं? They merely perform the task of joining. They join together the clauses and sometimes words. Join करने का काम. Now relative pronouns. Relative pronouns not only join two clauses. They not only join two clauses but also act as the subject or object of the verb in the relative clause. Join तो वो करते ही हैं, साथ साथ में वो relative clause का subject और object भी बन जाते हैं. Let's see how. This is the laptop. My father gifted me this laptop. This is the laptop. Okay. My father gifted me this laptop, isn't it? Let's join it now. This is a laptop that my father gifted me. Okay? किसके बारे में बात हो रही है ये? लैपटॉप के बारे में. Okay? तो this acts as object here. How this is object here? My father is the subject, isn't it? Gifted is the what? Verb here. A laptop क्या है? It is object here. So this is that acts as object here in the relative clause. तो relative clause क्या हुआ? ये सारा ये relative clause. Isn't it? Relation है ना इसके यहाँ पे. This is relative clause. So what is it doing? It is not only joining but also acting as the object of the relative clause. Not only joins but also acts as the object of the object in the relative clause. Okay? Next is this is a girl. She won the gold medal. This is a girl. She won the gold medal. तो लड़की के बारे में बात हो रही है ना. She is the girl. This is the girl who won the gold medal. Okay, and here it acts as the subject of the relative clause. The subject here, isn't it? Who is the subject here? How? Now this girl is the subject here, isn't it? तो इसकी जगह ये यूज किया, गर्ल की जगह pronoun she. Then won is the verb here and gold medal is the object. So this is subject here. Okay, this acts as subject here. Now relative adverbs. Relative adverb क्या करते हैं? The relative adverb not only modifies a verb but also joins the two clauses in a sentence. ये join एक तो modify करता है verb को and also join two clauses. But it does not act as subject or object in the relative clause. It merely replaces an adverb. Okay, it merely replaces an adverb. Let's see how. This is the apartment. Mr. Dikshit lives here. Now this is an adverb here, isn't it? Mr. Dikshit lives here. So we will join this. This is the apartment where Mr. Dikshit lives, isn't it? So where is replaced by here. Okay, लगा समझ में आई? This is the relative adverb here, where. Okay, it replaces this adverb here. I first saw snowfall on that day. I will never forget that day. I will never forget the day when I first saw the snowfall. तो यहाँ पे when क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे when is a relative adverb. Okay, so this is all about this. So now the basic difference is that conjunctions merely join. Okay, relative pronouns, they not only join but also act as subject or object in the relative clause, whereas relative adverbs, they join two clauses in a sentence and they also replace an adverb. Okay, so this is the basic difference. That's all for today, and I hope you have understood. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.